Okay, this is the Gillette Captain Kelley smoke detector that my mom found me when she was out in California. Yes, Gillette as in the razor people. It is hardwired, or line cord powered, as you can see. It's plugged in down there. And it uses the very old electromechanical horn. Now I warn you, this is very loud. So you might want to turn down your volume. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Now, right there is the power light. That's the test button. There's its logo. Then the horn is located under here. There, you can see it. The horn's there. Now on the back is the mounting bracket for the model 941 detector. You would mount this, of course, in close proximity to a wall outlet. And you would use the push button, or you could use like the canned smoke like this, which I'm not going to.